A local transit company sells a monthly pass for $95. Okay, I'll highlight that part or underline it. That allows an unlimited number of trips of any lengths. Tickets for individual trips cost $1.50, $2.50, or $3.50 depending on the length of the trip. So you can deduce from this sentence that $3.50 will take a long trip. $1.50 should be relatively short distance. What's the minimum number of trips? So the goal is to find the minimum number of trips per month for which of monthly pass. So I underlined red monthly pass, and that's when I go to $95 could cost less than. When you see the word less than, it's written like that. Then purchasing individual tickets for trips. So if you want minimum number of trips, would you go with $3.50 or $1.50? Think about it. If you go with the $1.50, you're gonna have a lot of trips, right? Let's even make it $1. If you make it one, let's say the shortest trip is cost $1, and you have $95 monthly pass. So to come even out, you have to have like a 95 trips. But if let's say it's like a $10 or $9.50, then instead of 100 trips, you just need 10 trips. So the higher the cost per ticket, the fewer number of trips. So everyone clear on that? Higher the price per ticket, it will be fewer trips to even out that monthly pass. So among 3 types of trip, choose the largest one. So when you plug it in to this inequality, we're gonna get $95, and this is for 1 month. Is that per month? It's per month, so you can drop out the unit rate, dollar per month. So $95 is less than or equal to purchasing individual tickets. We chose $3.50 per ticket to minimize the number of trip. And for that number of trip, which I highlighted, let's just call that X. Okay, X trip. And actually, ticket trip, same thing. So when you multiply this, you can see how trips cancel, and you got dollars compared with dollar. Okay, so we need to find the X. And to do that, we need to divide both sides by $3.50. And this way you have X on the right is greater than or equal to, and on our calculator, 95 divided by 3.5 is giving us 27.14. Okay, so X is greater than or equal to 27.14. Okay. So when you talk about the number of trips, okay, again, X is a number of trips, you can't really have partial trip. Okay, so you have to keep whole number, or a positive integer in this case. 20.14 is a fraction. It's a not a discrete number. So the next integer for X will be 28. So in other words, the monthly pass would be worth or could cost less if a person or if this individual have at least 28 long trips. Okay, so in that case, you want to buy monthly pass rather than individual trip. Individual tickets for $3.50. All right, so the answer should be 28. Thank you for watching, everyone. And please don't forget to subscribe.